Hello and welcome. Now take a look at the USDJPY currency pair, as this is the bigger picture in front of you. That this is the neckline that in the previous days it will break below that area and then go in the selling direction. Now the market is make a pull up from the Elliott level of 131.50 level and go upside, and from the 133.00 level the trend is bullish unless holding above that area and 134.50 level. Now what happened for the next period of term? As yesterday market test the support level of 136.30, and if someone is a buyer and he will avail this opportunity, he has a good time when the market make a test of, you can say, from taking retracement from almost you can say 150 pips, then this you can say entry point for the buyer is very perfect. So hopefully now the market move in the bullish direction very strongly and taking this support by, I suggest that that this H4 candle, you can say, break this, you can say, neckline, and market make a retest toward that area. So if the market follow this neckline and market will perform this pair again, perform in the bearish direction and break this, you can say, support level of 136.30, then obviously the gold market, EURUSD currency pair, GBPUSD currency pair are also moving in the bullish direction and cover their losses. If the market again go in the any H4 candle close above that area, then the market is obviously in the bullish direction and it will go in the upside direction. So you must wait for this H4 candle closing. That overall market is trading above this, you can say, support level of 136.30 and EMA 50. This will continuously pushing the price in the upside direction. So almost buying opportunities are still closed now. Buy opportunities from that level, and when the market break this neckline in the upside direction, you will take the buying opportunity. But for finding the selling opportunity, this is the best time. You take sell opportunity from 136.90 area or 137.02 area, and your stop loss must be at you can say 137.50 level. So this is the best sell opportunity. If you are the sellers, then you take the sell opportunity now this, because market is holding below this, you can say, neckline, and it's look like that it will come again in the bearish direction. So hopefully you guys understand the USDJPY currency pair situation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.